Hello and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make stir-fried bok choy, restaurant style. Alright, you're going to need a couple things here. First thing you're going to need are some pure sesame oil, some oyster sauce or mushroom sauce, some mijo, white wine. You're going to need your bok choy. You're going to need some chicken granules, some garlic, and some pepper. First thing we're going to do is we're going to chop the bok choy towards the bottom here, not towards the top or the middle. And we'll go ahead and we'll take the leaves off, and you're going to find that there's some pieces that are still stuck to a small stalk. That's when we will go ahead and cut that small stalk off to loosen the leaves. And we're going to go ahead and do that for all of our bok choy. Now, if you really want to, you can cut off the base part and then just slice these in half. They're just going to take a lot longer to cook. And I prefer, when doing stir fry, to have the leaves loose. It's a great way to stir fry a lot of vegetables. See? Everything's here. Beautiful. We're going to give this a rinse and get ready to go. Bring our nice new wok to a nice smoking hot temperature. No oil in the pan. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to just char these up a little bit real quick, okay? Just a couple minutes. Get some heat on the leaves. Some color going on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove those after we've got a nice char. And then we're going to get the oil in the pan, as you'll see in just a moment. All right, we got our wok up to temperature again. Some regular vegetable oil, about half a tablespoon. Whoops, still a little bit of water in the pan. You'll see the little bubbles. That's how you know. Wait for that to go on. Get nice and coated. Make sure your wok's nice and hot, and we're going to add about a 3/4 tablespoon of garlic to our nice hot pan and get that moving around so it doesn't burn. Stir, 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 stir. Once that gets nice and golden brown, we're going to add our bok choy back into the mix, and then, whoops, try not to drop anything onto the floor. Pick it up when you do. If it's nice and clean and you got the 5-second point, eat it if you want. Okay, let's get back to stirring here. And now we are going to add some of our mijo. This is just white cooking wine, sherry will do, anything you got. But the first thing you need to do is make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so that you get notified when we have new videos coming out. Now we're going to add just about a half teaspoon of the chicken granules and about a teaspoon and a half of our oyster sauce. Coat generously. Turn down your heat if it's getting a little too hot. This is not burning smoke, folks. This is just the beauty of steam. Oh, God, I love cooking stir fry. Don't you? What kind of stir fry do you guys like to cook? Make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear. Now we're going to add a little pepper. We're going to add a little bit of our sesame oil to give that fragrance that we know so well. And we're going to just incorporate that, stir, and put it into our bowl on the side. Now it's time to plate. Look at this side dish, folks. It took, what, 5 minutes? Beautiful, scrumptious, healthy, flavorful, delicious. All the things you could ever want in a side dish. Serve it up with some rice, side of noodles. You're good to go. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button if you did. And do not forget to subscribe. It helps our channels a lot, costs you absolutely nothing, and makes sure that you get notified every time we have a new video come out. We know you want to know that.